of your page. Next, for the buildings, draw 2 lines to the base of the page and then a horizontal line near the vanishing point for the top of the building. Now we can add 2 more horizontal lines and then add some diagonal lines for the vanishing point to make this building a little bit wider. As we're looking straight up at a very high building, the sides of the building will get closer together as they go towards our vanishing point in the centre of the page. Once we have the basic shape of the first building, we could add a few details. The floors of the building will all be horizontal lines parallel to the top of the building, and the gaps between the floors will get closer together as they go towards the vanishing point and further apart as they come towards us towards the edge of the page. We can now erase some of the guidelines that we no longer need. Next, we can start another skyscraper on the left-hand side of the page. Again, the vertical lines of the building will go and meet the vanishing point, but we don't want the building to go all the way to the vanishing point because that will make it too tall. Now we can add a line to the top of the building to show where it stops. I will extend this line on this particular building to the left and right to make it into a 3-part building, a building with 3 parts. Now, where we see the side of a building, draw a right angle off the top line of the building and then a diagonal from the vanishing point to make the side of the building look 3D, look 3-dimensional. So the key to this drawing, to make it simple, is to keep all the tops of the buildings horizontal and parallel to the edge of that particular building, parallel to the edge of the paper. And all the sides of the buildings need to go straight to the vanishing point in the middle of the page. And we should only add a side of the building if we can draw a right angle from the top line of the building. And then from this side we can add a new diagonal to create the edge of the side of the building. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, for a new video every Saturday. The next stage of this drawing is to add some details to the buildings that we have already drawn. After that, I think I'll add some more skyscrapers in the gaps between the buildings, leaving some space for the sky in the middle. Please leave a comment if you have any suggestions of what you'd like me to draw for the next art challenge. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of it and see you next time.